She was very happy last night.
She was very happy last night.
We had dinner at 7 p.m.
We had dinner at 7 p.m.
He did his homework before lunch.
He did his homework before lunch.
They said it was a great movie.
They said it was a great movie.
I went to the park yesterday.
I went to the park yesterday.
She got a new job last week.
She got a new job last week.
He made a chocolate cake for her on Saturday.
He made a chocolate cake for her on Saturday.
I knew the answer, but I stayed quiet.
I knew the answer, but I stayed quiet.
We thought it was going to rain.
We thought it was going to rain.
She took a photo of the sunset last night.
She took a photo of the sunset last night.
I saw a bird on the window early morning.
I saw a bird on the window early morning.
They came late to the meeting yesterday.
They came late to the meeting yesterday.
He gave me a birthday present a month ago.
He gave me a birthday present a month ago.
She found a golden coin on the street this morning.
She found a golden coin on the street this morning.
I told him to be careful.
I told him to be careful.
He became a professor in 2015.
He became a professor in 2015.
You guys left the party at midnight.
You guys left the party at midnight.
She felt proud of her work after the meeting.
She felt proud of her work after the meeting.
We put the keys on the table yesterday afternoon.
We put the keys on the table yesterday afternoon.
I brought some snacks for everyone on Friday night.
I brought some snacks for everyone on Friday night.
The show began at 8 o'clock.
The show began at 8 o'clock.
She kept all the letters he wrote last year.
She kept all the letters he wrote last year.
He held the baby gently.
He held the baby gently.
We wrote a long email to our boss a few months ago.
We wrote a long email to our boss a few months ago.
They met him at the airport 2 weeks ago.
They met him at the airport 2 weeks ago.